Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a couple years ago. This is my subject today. Well, I have this base image and also I made the line drawing type image. I used Adobe Photoshop, used a filter called Find Edges as always. And well, I'm gonna change the blend mode of this drawing image. Blend mode normal to darken. Then I'm gonna let it down to 50% opacity, and also I'm down this image, base image. I'm gonna fade down just a touch, but I gotta remember that highlight is coming from left hand side on this picture, and I have the shadow here from fan, and I use the direct LED light to her. That's why I have this harsh shadow lines here and here. But the other one, I have the board lighting main light here, so that's why it's kind of soft lighting overall, but still have direct light, so I have two feeling lights, so is the main light. I'm going to try to make a watercolor, and I'm going to put on this layer. I'm going to move to between these two layers now. Now I'm going to turn down to the main image, subject, base image Okay, now let's get started. Use this layer and choose the watercolor watercolor brush, watercolor wash flat first. Select the nice skin tone here, and as I said, the main light coming from the left hand side, so it's gonna lighten up here, and the shadow side is here. Okay, I'm gonna select this light area color, then here. Okay, but I need to see this. This is highlight. And this, also the hand, see some colors on this. Okay, now just touch tone down. Then I'm gonna more water to blend in to go shadow side. Now I'm going to dry this layer, and I want some change the brush to the watercolor round detail, make some shadow. Now I want to go here, just watching color, shadow side, highlight area, and shadow side here. I will change the color on here. Okay, go for watercolor wash flat again. Light area of the hair. Shadow side on some black, blue black. Now dry layer again, then add some. That's too much. Okay, now I'm gonna go flower accessories, red and cream, same round detail, but a little bit big, very hard to see. Find the edge layer on this. It won't show much, but it's okay. Oops, I think I made another. I'm gonna merge down this to go red. Do some blend in. Turn this one off. Oops, not again. On this layer. It's easy to see this oozing image. I'm gonna add later more dark red and stuff. You're gonna see that face now. To go a little bit more fade down. Okay. Oops. I guess I didn't. Oops. Oh, this is the one. Okay, I'm gonna march down. Okay, now go for this. Dry. Okay. Okay, light come from left hand side, so same thing, eyeball is gonna be darker here. Then leave the highlight, but the eyes inside is so, I think it's dark. Now I put the color on this kimono. Then go the green, this color. I'm going to turn this one off a bit more. Then pick the green. Oh, this is light side. then some blend in. Does have some image, but the ear area. I may have to show the highlight just with the eraser tool. And also a little bit dark. I'm going to go with the very big area of the kimono now. I have the shadow here too, right? Then a little bit texture, design, then shadow area. Most saturated color on this here. And just add some design of the kimono. And some little green. I'm going to add some on here, big area, to go with this. Real shadow color green. Then add some yellowish. Now almost. I'm gonna go with, okay, duplicate layer, then keep this one down, but I'm gonna make create empty mask on this. Now reveal. Invert mask and then reveal this mask with, go with the painting, then wet brush 1. Colors about this. Okay, now I'm going to turn on this, see the line, then I'm going to work on this with brush. Now I'm gonna take this pencil drawings, create the empty mask on, invert. Now I'm gonna reveal on this one too. Same time, same way. I'm gonna show some fans outlines on this pencil drawings. About 200. You see the lines. And also, I'm working on here. We see more pencil lines on this. You see now, right? Yeah, about this. You can find here mask density off, so you can see the lines more clearly. Then mask down if you want. There's lines here, and then reveal. That's on this. Again, if you want to see more lines, like eyes, you don't want to add the lines here, but you may here. So in that case, like this. Yes. Around here too. This is fan color. Let's see. Linear burn makes more contrasty. Color burn, nothing. Okay, this is the pencil drawing. I just add mostly fans, line, and now this is overall face and hand watercolor. Then this one is kimono watercolor. Then this is, I just changed blend mode, no more to color, is this shadow areas, only use the color. Okay, now this is a fan, just leave it normal. This is one color. Then this one is this base image to get this much of the base image blended in. That's it. Okay, this is it for today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate your support to me watching this video, and see you next time. Have a nice day again. Ciao now. Bye.